dreams, they are the way to a life of sadness.